Hi guys, it's Moretti with Rise Vermont. I was thinking back to how much fun we had in math class when I was in there, and we played games to come up with numbers to use to do our math. So I thought, for all the students who didn't have the opportunity to play with them, I'm going to show them how much fun we had. What you're going to need is a pool noodle. So I don't know if you guys have pool noodles. You can actually play a lot of these games with just about anything. How to do it with pool noodles, but there's a whole list that we're going to have online that will tell you how you can play these games with just about anything. So you need a good pair of scissors and your pool noodle. You're going to cut off about a 3-inch section, a 2 3-inch section, so that you have a small O. Oh. Then you're going to cut it in half. So you have the letter C. And then, oh, excuse me a moment. Hello? Oh, hello. It's my boss. Hold on. Yes? No, a pool noodle. Yeah, made out of foam? No, egg noodles. Yeah, that makes a big mess, doesn't it? You'll have to clean that up before you get to play. No, you can't use ziti. No. Even, I know it's soft when it's boiled. Foam. Okay, I want to get back to my kid. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. I don't know if I said it before. Foam noodle. So, we call these noodle chips. After you're done cutting, you'll have a noodle in the shape of the letter C. Do you see that? Stop. All right, so then you will hold your finger in the shape of a C as well, but in the opposite direction. So actually when it's together, you're back to a letter O or a B. No, that's a D for you. It's B for me. Okay, so you'll hold your fingers like that, finger tips pointing out, not in, but out, and start to squeeze. And at a certain point, the noodle pops. So make a whole bunch of these and practice popping your noodle. It's actually a lot more fun than it looks. And then, as soon as you are done, you can go to our online playground and look at some of the ways we use noodles to have fun with math. Send me pictures of all the stuff you do with them. See ya!